Dorset Nissan. Check out the all-new Nissan lineup from your Award of Excellence dealer. Now, your local weather authority with Chief Meteorologist Jesse Walker.
Welcome back, everybody. I'll give you a little update. The tropics look pretty quiet unless you look way down to the south in the open waters. It doesn't look like much, but you can see the spin in this system. This has now developed into our second named storm of the season. Its name is Beryl. It is moving along to the west-northwest, forecast to head over towards the islands by Sunday. We'll keep an eye on it, see what happens, but again, it's the second named one. The first one you may remember was Alberto, which came up into this area in late May when we really needed some rain. We're getting kind of dry again, so we always keep an eye on the tropics. Temperature-wise, second day in a row, we hit 95 today. 75 has been our low. We have not gotten any rain at the TV station yet, but some of you picking up some rain. We're going to show you the radar here in just a little bit. Sunrise, sunset for tomorrow, giving us 14 hours, 50 minutes of daylight. There's the River Stage in Terre Haute, 7.5 feet, and it is on the way down at the airport in Terre Haute. Rain, cooled air, 79 up there. Relative humidity still pretty high. The winds are northeast at 5. Pressure coming up as high pressure is going to move in and break the heat wave, at least for a while. Down to the south, they're still looking at some temperatures in the 90s, but everybody else seeing the air being cooled off by some thunderstorms. This is what it feels like. Still over 100. Effingham, look at Flora, 107. If you're over here in Greencastle and you're looking at that, the difference there is what, 34 degrees. It's 34 degrees cooler is what it feels like in Greencastle because of the rain-cooled air. Showers and storms are developing off to the north of this area along a cold front. That front will move through the area tonight and break the heat wave, at least for a few days. You can see the showers and storms developing here. We've had a little bit move through early on, mostly in our northeastern counties you watch early, but the air cooled in advance of that. Now we see more showers and storms off to the west-northwest of this area, and on the Dorset Automotive Doppler radar, you'll see that north of Terre Haute, we got a pretty good band of some lightning out here off to the northwest. So we'll zoom in a little closer here. Around the Paris area, this will be moving into northwestern Vigo County shortly, and then you get up here to the north of Rockville and just north of the Clinton area. Some heavier rain showing up there, but then some pretty heavy rain with a lot of lightning as you get out here towards the western portion of our viewing area, Charleston up to Tuscola, and that's moving to the southeast as well, and there's more behind that. So it looks like some storms for a while this evening. Those will die off later tonight, and eventually we're going to see the cooler and drier air start to move in, all courtesy of this high pressure as it drops in, drying the air out, cooling things off as we head for tomorrow, Saturdays, even Sunday still looks pretty good. So it's going to break the heat wave just in time for the weekend. Watch this. On the dew points, anything above 70 is really uncomfortable. The lower the dew point, the more comfortable it feels. Dew points right now are running 73 Terre Haute, 78 Flora. Remember, it feels like 107 down there. Watch what happens to these numbers by early Saturday morning as a drier air. Look at this, 50 in Terre Haute. I mean, that's crazy. It's going to feel so much better as we head for Friday, Saturday, and really in Sunday as well. These dew point numbers come down, it'll be a lot less humid. Sunday's still going to be a little warm, but the coolest of the air still near this area. As we head into Monday and Tuesday, we stay dry. We start to heat back up, though, as we head into the middle of next week. I don't think excessively humid, but you're going to notice the heat coming back some as we head into next week. And the next chance of rain, other than tonight, probably not going to get in here until late next week. Forecast looks like this for tonight. Storms early, partly cloudy, 71 the low. Tomorrow, clearing clouds, becoming sunny as the day goes on. But look at this, 82 degrees and less humid. And just in time for the weekend, these temperatures are nice. Look at the overnight lows at nighttime into the 50s. It will warm up some next week. Highs back in the low 90s the middle of next week. That's your forecast. Now we'll head over to Grant.